And like Karan very rightly put it backstage, it's a very snacky show. Like, I think you can ask, I mean, you better say the same thing. Just,
पोल खोल दूंगी या मैं बोल रही हूँ तुम्हारे बता दूंगी
no.
यार बांटने से बढ़ता है
There's one who does the talking and the other
One
one's
does
like
listening.
Yeah, and the one who's doing the listening. But still, Diana, I want to say there has to be a few words from your side because I know that you feel what Tammy said in equal and more measure. Please go for it.
Absolutely. But I want to start by saying my OTT debut is here. Finally.
Let's get into it.
The last time we were on the stage announcing it, I was very excited that I would be doing my first OTT show. And now finally, it's here. So I'm very excited. And I couldn't be more excited that it is with Dharmatic and with Prime Video. And like you said, we have so much to be thankful for to Karan, to Apurva, to Prime Video, Nikhil, to Archit and Colin for all the patience and for also really, really trusting us with this script. Like Tamanna said, it is about two girls, and it's really about the friendship. And it's a very real friendship. There's nothing about it that's, over the top or something that you won't believe in. When you watch it, you're going to really feel the way you feel with your best friend. The way they fight, the way they hang out, the way they party, the way they, it's very, very real. And of course, two girls in a man's world, entrepreneurship, it's about startups. And like Karan very rightly put it backstage, it's a very snacky show. So I told Karan, I'm going to use this word in every promotion. It's a very snacky show. It's just something that it's fun and it's light. And I'm just really, really proud of us and just really happy that I got to work with this amazing cast and with Archit and Colin. So yes.
How lovely. Thank you so much. I do also want to say that the two of you, okay, are like female friendship goals, all right? I want to have a bestie like that, okay, who has my
It's
back.
great. I mean, since you brought it up, is that it came very naturally. Like, I think you can ask, I mean, you better say the same thing. It was very natural. We were just,
पोल खोल दूंगी या मैं बोल रही हूँ तुम्हारे बता दूंगी
let me talk, yeah.
We are going to give Tamanna her own mic. Please, can we pass
No.
it on? to-
यार बांटने से बढ़ता है
Even with my mic, she's only talking.
Mic बांटने से नहीं बढ़ता.
So this was the chemistry on set, and we didn't have to try too hard. It just flowed. It was very effortless. So yeah, very, very grateful to have you as my partner in this partners show.
How amazing. Thank you so much, both of you.